Well, the Easter holiday is right around the corner, and you may be tempted to give your young child a pet rabbit in their Easter basket. A local rabbit rescue organization is asking you to think twice and make mine chocolate instead. I'm with John Dean right now, a licensed educator with the Columbus House Rabbit Society. All right, so question one, John. Tell us about the Make Me Chocolate campaign, because it's really wonderful and a great educational tool.
Yeah, what we're trying to do is encourage people to think twice about getting a live rabbit for Easter. They make awful impulse purchases.
They do.
So when you're checking out in the store and you see the live chick or the live rabbit, you might think twice. Get the stuffed rabbit or the chocolate rabbit instead.
And you really do. You think that rabbits, oh, they'll be so fun, they'll be cuddly, you know, like a little cat or a dog, but really they love to be in their habitats. And you actually brought a great one to kind of display what they would be happy in, and we do want to show that too.
Yeah, and this habitat is exactly what we would preach. It's a 4x4 exercise pen. It's got a place for them to hide. It's important to keep in mind that they are prey animals, unlike cats and dogs. So they do generally don't tolerate being held very well.
Right.
So if you think you're going to get this for a kid and have them lug the rabbit around with them, it's not going to happen.
Not going to happen. Not like a little chihuahua, huh?
Yeah, once you get spayed or neutered, they're happy to use the litter box too. So you can litter box train them and they'll hop around your house just like a cat. But that comes after getting them spayed or neutered. And once you do that, they will likely live 8 to 10 years. So this isn't even a short-term commitment when you get that rabbit.
8 to 10 years.
Yeah.
And you want to make sure that you've got a really good lint brush, I guess.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, they're going to know where I was.
We've got flying all over the place here. So, okay, so let's say we have a family, and they are really, truly interested. What do they need to consider before bringing the rabbit home?
One thing I would do is go to the MakeMineChocolate.org website.
Okay.
We've got some interactive tools where they can get some information about what they eat and the different habitats that would be suitable for them in the house. They should be in the house and be made a part of the family. They're very social. And you really... adult has to be the primary caregiver. A kid cannot, do all the work that's required for keeping a rabbit in the house.
Yeah, it needs to be a whole family kind of a thing.
Yeah.
Okay, can I try really quickly, and then we gotta go. But I just want to. I know we're preaching that this is not a good idea, but I just.
And that's Charlie.
So this is Charlie.
Yeah.
Now is Charlie up for adoption?
Yes, he is available for adoption through the Columbus House Rabbit Society. You can get to their website at columbusrabbit.org.
And we're actually making it easier for folks because we've posted a link to Make Mine Chocolate on our website, and I believe that also is linked to your website.
Yes, it is.
All right. Thank you so much. How cute is this bunny? You just need a proper home for it. All right. We'll be right back after this.